Okay, so today's video is going to be the pipe sling. It looks like a reef knot. So if I do a reef knot like this, this is going to go where the pipe, this is where the pipe's going to go, but it's not going to go through the gap there. It's actually going to go through that gap here. So there's a loop on each side. So you can do it with two pieces of rope. Obviously these would be longer. Okay. So you could have two closed loops, and it is possible to tie it with this. So what you would do is pass one through the loop and then take the other end of the loop and pass it through as well. So you get the sort of reef knot look to it. Okay, so this is going to go around the pole. It's not going to go in the middle. It's actually going to go through that gap there. So it would go through the pole like that and tighten up. Now I don't like this knot. I've never really used it, so I can't really comment on its use. But if you have used this before, please leave a comment below. It'd be interesting to find out. So I don't mind it this way, holding it up, but any sort of angle they slide off. So just bear that in mind. But the idea of my channel is to tie every single knot I come across. So there we go. That is the pipe sling, and I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks very much for watching.